Hello guys, today we make Nocino liqueur. Thanks to Tony, an Italian living in Australia, but the recipe is really Italian, the original one. For this recipe we need the nuts. When you should pick up the walnuts between 13th of June and 24th of June if you are living in Italy. But if you are living in another country, you need to check the nuts. How you can do it? You take one, they should be green, cut in two. If when you open the nuts there is a little bit of jelly, they are ready. So you need to check it. Now I will take few here, and after I will move to check another 3 because this one a little bit small. We need 16. I pick up the nuts and see you at home. When you arrive at home, you cut your 16 nuts in 4 pieces. You put in a jar with 16 cloves, 16 coffee beans, a pinch of cinnamon, the zest of 1 lemon, and you need 1 liter of pure alcohol, strong one. This one is 96. If you cannot find 96, you need to find at least around 80. This is the advice from Tony. Because if the alcohol is not so strong, you cannot extract and take all the substance from your nuts. So you need strong alcohol. After you close with the lid, and we must wait 40 days. So see you in 40 days. And in less of 24 hours, you can see is already very dark green. Please remember to use the gloves, because also my finger, I don't know if you can notice, are black, so better to use the gloves. After 40 days, we can go ahead with the recipe. Now we put in the pot 500 milliliter of water and 500 grams of sugar. When the sugar melts, we turn off the fire and we should wait that the syrup reach the room temperature. After we add it to our alcohol, we can bottle it and taste it. The smell is already good. Spectacular. Very strong, but very tasty. At the beginning you can taste a little bit of the lemon. and after you can test the nuts. Very, very, very spectacular. Thank you, Tony, for your recipe. If like him you want to share your recipe, you can do it here under the video in the comments, or if you want to give some advice. You know, you can share the recipe with me on Instagram, or like him on Messenger, or through the email. Bye bye. One thing more. Tony give this advice. You can make also Nocino wine. So with these nuts, the remain, you can add in the jar maximum 3 liters of white wine, and you will have also Nocino wine. Because the jar is too small, I will add only 2 liters of white wine, and maybe here on the channel I will not do a new video for that. I will make a short video, and in some way I will let you know if the Nocino wine is spectacular or not. Bye bye!